Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, this channel is taking a closer look at a product that could genuinely streamline any audio or lighting setup. The Czgor 10 pack of 4-foot XLR cables. For anyone working with microphones, DMX stage lights, or various studio equipment, having a reliable and organized cable system is paramount, and these cables aim to deliver just that. One of the first things that immediately stands out about this pack is the sheer variety of colors. With 10 distinct hues – red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, black, white, gray, and brown – it becomes incredibly simple to color code an entire setup. This feature alone can save immense time during setup and teardown, allowing for quick identification of specific connections without the usual tangle and confusion. Imagine connecting a microphone to a specific channel on a mixer or assigning a particular DMX light. These colors make tracking effortless. Beyond the aesthetics, the construction of these Czgor cables speaks to their durability and performance. Each cable features 3-pin XLR male to female connectors crafted from zinc alloy, ensuring they are both robust and resistant to corrosion. The design facilitates easy plugging and unplugging, a significant detail for frequent users. The cables themselves are 24 AWG with a 110 ohm impedance, built with oxygen-free copper conductors and an inner copper braided shielding. This meticulous construction is crucial for signal transportation, promising a smooth, noiseless, and high-fidelity transmission of both data and audio signals, free from static interference. The double spring-style strain relief is another thoughtful addition, designed to prevent the cables from pulling out or fraying at the connection points, extending their lifespan. The flexibility of the PVC rubber jacket is also a notable advantage. This resilient casing boasts impressive tensile strength and elasticity, which means the cables are not only durable, but also incredibly easy to coil and manage. This flexibility is a blessing for anyone who frequently moves or stores their equipment, as it prevents kinking and makes for a much tidier workspace. Compatibility is a strong suit for these Czgor XLR cables. They are designed for plug-and-play convenience and are suitable for a wide array of devices equipped with 3-pin XLR connectors. This includes everything from microphones and preamplifiers to DMX stage lights, mixing consoles, and speaker systems. They can even double as extension cables, offering further versatility. Finally, the brand offers a 1-year warranty and promises a 24-hour response time for customer inquiries, which provides a good layer of assurance for potential buyers. In summary, for those seeking a comprehensive, durable, and highly organized solution for their audio and DMX cabling needs, the Czgor 10 pack of 4-foot multicolor XLR cables presents itself as an exceptionally strong contender. Its combination of vibrant color coding, robust build quality, excellent signal integrity, and practical design makes it a valuable addition to any professional or home studio environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.